Puppy's awake. Can you tell they might have had a good night's sleep? This is absolute chaos. Hello. I'm hiding on a chair. Here we go. And off we go again. And underneath the chair. And off we come again. It's when you have 6 puppies charging up and down. Scout's giving as good as she gets. Buddy's on top. And Samantha's coming. Samantha, no shoes in the sitting room. Gunner off the table.
I'm not wearing shoes.
This is called chaos. The sitting room is a mess. I have not tidied it up today.
Because then you did tidy up before they came out.
Hello. Can we rescue my pieces of plastic for my puzzle games? Thank you. Daddy has got to. Daddy's run off because he's only wearing his bottoms. But we can smell food out there. We come to investigate. And what have we got going on? Puppy trying to climb the sofa. Gently. Who have you got? Leo? Oh, Buddy. Sorry. Buddy's going to eat Samantha. Say hello. Hello, Buddy. Like, what on earth I've been caught? So what else has been going on? They've ripped up some of the newspaper. That's down for accident. Here we go again. This is an atypical morning. Hiya. And as you can tell, Scout's giving it as good as she gets. We'll just move out the way. And now we've got bark, bark, woof, woof going on down here. How many puppies can you fit under a settee? They're discussing it. So as you can tell, they're all doing really, really well. And are causing chaos this morning. Aren't we? Say bye-bye.